Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's LTC Messi here, coming at you with yet another Pionex video. And in this video, I'm actually trading live in my account, and I want to show you what it is that you need to be like cautious about as well, which it fooled me. But I believe that I'm in the right positions now to be able to take advantage of what could happen with the market going forward. But before I get to this video, you should have taken the time out to read the disclaimer at the beginning of this video. If you did not do so, please go back and read that disclaimer so you can understand what's going on this channel. So with that said, let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so let's go over to the futures trading account. And when I woke up this morning, I saw let's go over to Bitcoin. I saw that Bitcoin was in a downward trend. So you go over here to the daily candle, and you can still see that it's still a red candle. So, and when you come over here to the hour, you can see that, and when I woke up, it was pretty much right around this time right here when Bitcoin was still going down. And so let's go ahead and go to the 15-minute candle so you can see everything more clearly. And so I opened up two positions with Solana and Ethereum. And so to go down with the market. What has affected my two positions has nothing to do with Ethereum or Solana. It has everything to do with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, exactly where I put this marker at in my last video, Bitcoin is coming down pretty much to this zone and rejecting every single time. So instead of me being able to get in profit, so when you come over here to Ethereum, for example, you can see here I had opened up a sell position on this long candle when it came down. I was like, man, this thing is dropping. So let me go ahead and open up my sell position and be done with it. And you see that I end up taking a loss. So I end up reversing the position and I open up a buy on this red candle. So let me move this over. So I saw that on this candle, it had started moving up again. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to accept the loss and understand that this is the same thing that happened last Saturday is getting ready to happen again this Saturday. It's going to appear that the market wants to go down, but Bitcoin is going to keep getting rejected at a support zone, and then it's going to eventually go back up. And so it's going to keep doing these fluctuations and everything like that, but it's going sideways now with Ethereum. As you can see here, it got a red candle right here, went down, and then it got rejected. And you see the green candle now is another red candle right here. So it's going sideways right now because Bitcoin keep getting rejected, and so is Ethereum right here. Let's go to a horizontal line. So you can see this right here is a support zone for Ethereum. Okay. And then you come over here to Solana, and you can see the same thing over here for Solana. Solana is actually up. As you see, I'm up in profits for Solana over $20 right now. And Solana is also experiencing that same thing. So you come right down here. Here is the support zone. And it's getting rejected right there at that support zone every single time and bouncing back up. And it will come back down, then it bounce back up, then it come down and get rejected right back up again. And so it has everything to do with what Bitcoin is doing, not pretty much what Solana and Ethereum are doing. The Bitcoin is controlling what Ethereum and Solana are both doing. And so eventually it's going to come back down here again. It could shoot down past this. It could, but I don't think it is because it's been rejected so many times. So this is a strong support zone for Bitcoin. And I believe that it's going to come back down here again, and then it's going to eventually shoot back up. And so I got my positions opened up with Ethereum and Solana. And I got my TP and stop loss set, of course. So I got my stop loss down here, you can see, for Ethereum at 46%. And then my take profit is up here somewhere. Let me see if I can show you that. So here it is up here on our candle. You can see it's up here. I got it set up this high because I believe that Ethereum, actually, let me bring this down a little bit more. Let's bring it right down to that point. So I can end up getting like a profit. Actually, no, I'm gonna cancel it. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Because I remember the last weekend when I had my TPs and everything set, and I did not have my stop loss set in the right position, and it went down, hit my stop loss, and I was done for the day. At that point, I had lost over $200 for the day. This time, I believe I got my stop loss down far enough to be able to accept the fluctuations, but this support zone right here is going to be able to help me out. I believe that this is a very strong support zone, and it's going to bounce it right back up eventually, and it's going to end up hitting my take profit. And this is just the weekend trading. The weekend trading is so wacky. I don't understand why it's like this every weekend, Saturdays and Sundays. But during the week, I can get in here, see the trend, get in and out the market very quickly, and have no issues. It's the weekends that I'm literally having issues. I not just did I lose last weekend, but I lost the weekend prior and the weekend prior to that. It's just wacky movements of the weekend candles, and it's just due to, I guess it's not the weekday, but I believe that now I'm in the right position. And let's go here. I don't know why Solana is not here on the top of the list. That's like how it is for my phone. So, it's going to show some fluctuations and everything like that. But I believe that Solana can get back up here to $134 pretty much. $134. And then it's better hit my TP. And I'll be finished for today. I'll be able to recover the losses that I've already accrued when I had to change the direction. So I just went down here and I clicked on reverse. And that was it. So I'm like, I'm not going to switch in the direction again because it's already been going down long enough. When you look at, I think it's the 15-minute candle, it's already been going down long enough, and it's going to come a time for the momentum to change, and it's going to have an upward momentum, because when you look at the daily candle for Solana as well, it's currently green. It was red. It was just literally red when I switched my positions, reversed my positions, and now Solana is green. Let's go over here to Ethereum. So Ethereum is still red, but it was a more solid red candle before, and now it's starting to reject back up because I was in a bigger floating loss or drawdown earlier before I decided to do this video. And then you come over to Bitcoin, and let's see here. And Bitcoin, like, it's starting to reject as well, and hopefully push this one back up. So just gotta wait and see what's going to happen. I believe that everything's gonna work out in my favor in the end, and I'll be able to take profit, recover the losses that I've already accrued today from when I had to reverse the first time around. And I just gotta be patient now. You understand that this is part of the wacky weekends. Sundays is probably worse than Saturdays. It's like the more stagnant, wherever the case may be. It don't have that much more movement. But in the end, you just gotta try to work your way around and figure out in the end what the market wants to do in the end. Sundays is gonna be like the slowest day before it starts picking up towards the end of that daily candle, and then the weekdays is you're off and rolling at that moment. Okay, so I just want to do that video now, give you an update what's going on here, because Bitcoin is literally manipulating the market right now with this 15-minute candle. Oh man, let me do this. All right, let me spread this back out and move this down so you can see what's going on with Bitcoin on the 15-minute candle. And like I said, it's just right now going sideways, but overall you can see that my trend line is showing that it's going back up. And this is what I saw as well when I woke up. I saw this candle right here on for Solana and Ethereum as well as Bitcoin, and I got in on a sell because you can see what the trend lines were, the indicators were showing me is going down. Then all of a sudden, this is what Bitcoin did. It got down to the zone and it rejected and shot up. And and then it started coming back down again. What happened? It got rejected. Come down again. What happened? It got rejected. And now look, it's trying to come back down again. And I don't know if it's going to come all the way down this time to this zone. I think it's pretty much established that it's not going to come down past the zone anymore. I could be wrong, but that's the way. It's always 50-50 when you trade them. And but the thing is that I believe that the trend line, the trend is going to change in favor of my long positions I got in place right now. And Bitcoin is going to rally and get up to probably, I don't know, 63,000. Let's say that Bitcoin is able to rally up to, let's say up to this point right here. So Bitcoin is able to rally up to $62,730 pretty much. That is going to help my position with Ethereum and Solana get up to where they need to be at and take profit. And so let's go over here to Ethereum. and you can see that it's Ethereum's also rejecting that red candle right now. My floating loss right now, or my drawdown, is a better floating loss with Ethereum. And let's go over here and look at Solana, what it's doing. And you see Solana is just rolling right now. And I got my TP set at what was my TP set at with Solana? Let me pull up my phone real quick, and I'll be able to tell you that the dollar amount, that is. So the dollar amount, my TP is set at $142.49. After fees, I'm probably looking at like $135, $134 gain. But that's what I'm doing right now. Solana's doing what it's supposed to be doing. I just need Ethereum to get in on the game as well and start surging up, and so that way I can get up to my TP eventually. But Ethereum is so far down, and I just gotta hope that it can get back up to this point. But let's go to the hour candle, and you can see things more clearly, and you can see where Ethereum could get back up to, because this is when the daily candle started. The new daily candle started going up, and then it rejected and went down. Or did it go down first, then it rejected and went up, and then it came all the way back down? But this is where it was at the end of the trading day, the daily candle, trading candle yesterday right here. And I believe that Ethereum can get back up here, but you know what? Let's bring this down a little bit more. Let's bring it down to here. So let's say $117 and just click on OK. And I believe Ethereum can get back up to here. This could be a moment to where I can have these trades open up pretty much half of the day or majority of the day today. But I believe that they're going to work their way back up, and just Ethereum just want to keep going down. Don't know why. Let's see, Bitcoin, what you doing? So Bitcoin is rejecting the hourly candle right now, and Ethereum is just having the hardest time trying to reject that 1 hour candle. But you look at Solana, should be at the top of this list. I shouldn't have to do a search for Solana. Just look at Solana, what it's doing for the hourly candle. Very nice green candle. Hopefully it will keep that momentum going up, and be able to hit my TP, be able to pretty much recover my account with just Solana. And then once Ethereum starts to recover and go up, I'm definitely going to be in the positive gain and looking at pretty much like $100 gain a day as well with these two positions only. Let me see the other positions. Other crypto I like to trade as well is WIF. What is it doing? So it looks like WIF is reaching a wall up here at the top. As you can see, let's put that line right there so you can see. So WIF is getting rejected up here, and it's coming back down, then it's coming back up, then coming back down. So you can see what's going on here. It could get up past that point, especially when Bitcoin decides to reverse trend and start going up again. So that's something that I'm looking at. Maybe open up position with, I don't know, but I normally like to only keep 2 positions open up. I don't like to open up 3, because then that's make you susceptible to way more risk for, like, just in case the market goes against you and you taking a bigger loss. I like to normally keep only 2 positions open up at a time, but this is an extra analysis of what it is that I can see, and I want to show you this so that way you can pay attention to this as well when you're trading your account, because Bitcoin literally controls the market. If you don't know that, it controls like over 52-53% of the market, and so whatever Bitcoin does, the rest of the market is going to do as well. So if Bitcoin can't get past this zone, Ethereum and Solana will not go down that far neither, and they will end up rejecting, eventually pushing up like what Solana's already trying to do. So, but Ethereum has not made that reverse as of yet, as Bitcoin has not turned it around completely on this 1 hour candle. And we're coming up on the end of the 1 hour candle right now in 25 seconds. And it's going to start a new 1 hour candle, and we'll see what's going to happen, because you can see what the trend lines are doing on the 1 hour. It looks like pretty much right now Bitcoin is going sideways. And normally once this starts to accumulate like this, Bitcoin is getting ready to change directions. Normally, that's what that means. And sometimes it can just go sideways, then continue downward. But most of the time with Bitcoin, once it starts accumulating like this, it's going to eventually go up. When it's been going down for a majority of the, or the majority of the time when it's been trending downward, it'll eventually go sideways and then start going up. And so that's what I'm hoping for right here. But that right there is all I wanted to show you in this video, to give you a further insight analysis on why it is that, it's like, why is it that the trend did not continue going down? It's nothing that you did wrong. You read everything correctly. It has everything to do with Bitcoin. Bitcoin did not have this zone established when I got into my position. It established this zone as time went along after I opened up my initial position to go down with the market. And as you can see right now, Bitcoin is going up. My Ethereum position is already going up as somewhere as well. Look at Solana is going up as well. So I believe that now I see clearly what's going on with Bitcoin. And that's the reason why I did that video yesterday. I said I always start with Bitcoin, see what Bitcoin is doing. And the thing that I did not see when I looked at Bitcoin this morning was this support zone, because it was not there. I just literally marked it in this video. And so with that support zone being there, I believe now I'm in the correct positions to be able to recover my losses that I have already accrued, and then be able to get into overall profits for the day. And then I'll be able to try to continue this tomorrow, and try to get some more profits tomorrow, because every day I'm trying to get at least 5%. That's my minimum target is 5%. Okay. Although with the strategy and everything that I have established, I can easily get 8 to 12% per day. Matter of fact, if this goes all the way in my favor, I'm looking at like another 11-12% gain a day pretty much right now. Okay. So that right there wraps up what I want to talk about. If you like what you heard and saw, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to share this video with other people. If you're interested in joining Pionex, I have my links down in the description of this video, as well as in the comment section. If you heard of Pionex from someone else, please get back with that person. Use their referral link, create your account, start generating passive income. If you decide to use the trading bots, and you can also create your own income by trading futures account and spot trading as well. And you can also show us how to do the same thing. Okay, so that's all to say. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time in this video. Take care, everyone.